Hey guys, this is David with Great Choice Audio Video. Hey, today we got a little unboxing for you. We've got a new receiver from Marantz. This is the SR7015, the 7015. This is a 9.2 channel receiver. It's 8K and it's got a lot of really cool features. A whole lot, way more than I'm going to list, but I'll list just a few of the top ones. It's 125 watts a channel. It's a 9.2 channel, like I said. It's 8K. It's got 3D audio. It's IMAX enhanced. It's got Dolby Vision. It's got HEOS that's built in for your music streaming. So it's going to have your Pandora, your TuneIn, your Spotify, your XM, all that inside. So it makes it super cool and easy to stream all your favorite types of music through this receiver. It's got eARC for HDMI. And it's got something really cool for control. Matter of fact, if you watch some of our other videos, and we'll have more coming out for Josh.ai for voice control, it's got Josh.ai built into this receiver. Super cool. And then for calibration, it's got the Odyssey Multi-EQ XT32. And then for controlling this thing, besides voice, you have your typical IR, you have IP, you have RS-232, you have web control, and app control. So tons of ways to control this receiver. And it's actually a pretty heavy receiver. It's around 31, just a little over 31 pounds. So it's got a nice bit of weight for the amplification that's built inside this thing. Because again, it's 125 watts, 9 channels. So, but let's spin this bad boy around. Before we do, also, take the face of this, guys. I love this nice, clean, round dial. You know, when it's powered on, it's got all your, you know, tells you what input you're on and all that kind of thing. And let's go ahead and take these tabs down. What this does is opens this little tray. Just took this out of the box for you guys so we can kind of show you. It's got a beautiful display, you know, way to kind of maneuver through the menus, you know, change all your inputs and sort of things. You gotta get your headphone jack here, USB, HDMI, and then you have the auxiliary input with the video and left and right analog. So without further ado, let's turn this bad boy around and show you all the good stuff in the back. All right, so some of the things that also this came with, just like most, you know, got your remote. Now most of you guys I know will probably not use this, but this will be useful for setting it up and that sort of thing. And then of course after it's all set up, most of the time this goes into a drawer or back into the box because you're using something else to control the receiver, so this is no longer really needed, but it does come with this so you can control it. You also have this super awesome, I say not really super awesome, but a little cardboard stand for calibrating the receiver. So you would take this Odyssey microphone, and after you put this together with these handy dandy instructions of putting this cardboard little stand for the mic, and then you set this in the room and then start calibrating the receiver. Now, a couple other things it comes with, obviously. You got your manual, and then of course you have your online manual as well, but you do have a manual that goes over some of the features and settings, and it's just a quick start guide. And then you get one more pack that comes with it. You got your typical Bluetooth, Wi-Fi antennas that you want to go on the back, your AM, FM antennas as well. And then what's kind of cool with this receiver, matter of fact, I'll take this out of the bag. Not all receivers come with this, so it does make it kind of cool as you're hooking up your speakers that it comes with labels. So you can see this, guys. Has all the labels for your front, left, and right, and your center, and your subwoofer, so you can mark all your wires, your front heights, and your zone 2, top front, top rear. Gives you several different, you know, labels for left and right. And then at the bottom, here's all your inputs. You know, you got your cable, your Blu-ray, your media player, that sort of thing. So if you don't already have a label gun, or label machine, you could use the labels that comes with this receiver. Pretty cool. All right, so that's out of the way. And now let's get to the bad boy. This back here. So I'll just go over line by line and row by row, so kind of go over what's available. So at the top here, you have your antenna placement for your Bluetooth Wi-Fi antenna. And then here's where your digital audio is. You got 2 coax, 2 optical. Here's your network jack to control it. And it looks like we have 7 HDMI inputs, which 1 through 6 are all assignable. But number 7 is actually marked 8K. So if you do actually have an 8K source, it would need to go, looks like a number 7. And then you actually have a zone 2 that's capable of passing 4K. And then you have 2 HDMI monitor outs for your main zone. Your monitor 1 has ARC and eARC. So super cool. Now, again, like I said, for control, here's where your RS-232 cable is. And you have an IR. If you don't want to put IR flasher, you can do the 1/8 inch mini IR right here. This particular receiver has a phono input, which is cool. Phonos are coming back. And so here's your ground for that. And then we have all your, you know, this receiver actually they're still putting on component. I guess some people are holding on to component video, so we do have a few component inputs here. We actually have 3 component inputs with 1 component output. If you guys don't remember what component is, or some of you guys don't know, it's your red, green, blue for your color. And then we have a bunch of analogs. So we have your cable sat analog, and all these are assignable, guys. So you can make them whatever you want, but you get your cable sat, you got your DVD, your Blu-ray, your game, and your CD. Like I said, you do have a phono. And then here's all your pre-outs for your 7.1 channel ins. And then your zone 2, zone 3. So this is a 3-zone receiver, but only powering 2 zones. So you could take a separate amplifier out and power a 3rd zone. So, and then all your pre-outs here, and then all your speaker hookups here for left and right. You got your front left and right, center, surround right, surround left, you know, surround back right, surround back left, height 1 and height 2. So again, these are assignable as well. And you have power. So, and your AM FM hookup, don't forget about that. Pretty nice receiver, guys. So we have actually this bad boy going in an install towards the end of the month, and you'll see a video on that coming up very soon with some really cool James loudspeaker speakers that's going in the ceiling, and should be a really nice, real cool setup. So anyway, I just want to show you guys this receiver. Super nice. We love Marantz. You know, they have a 3-year warranty. They're rock solid. You know, have great amplifiers built inside of them. Lots of features. And so we like to use them here at Great Choice. So if you guys got any questions, comments about the receiver or anything that we do, we'd love to hear from you. Leave it in the comments down below. And if you haven't liked the video, please do subscribe to our channel. Like I said, we got more videos coming out. We try to do 2 every week. And until next time, we'll see you guys.